I know that Fullerton Health has always been on the forefront of AI adoption, and you have deployed several solutions within the organization as well. Now, Ms. Kami, the question that I have for you is, based on your experience of launching AI products, your learnings from AI products, what would be a key takeaway that any you would like to share with leaders across the country on how you have deployed AI solution, and what are some of the key things that they should or should not?
Mm-hmm. Well, first, the leader should be able to, as mentioned, understand the gaps in the market that they are seeing, and both internally and, of course, looking at the clients. What are the new preference? What are the unsolved issues, reasons for disappointments? Because then you have to prioritize. Where do we come in? How do I address the gap using technology? So until the leader knows that, they cannot move forward because they can be overwhelmed. AI can be overwhelming, threatening for most, and the impression is that I will have to lose my people. But no, we don't. We're just letting our people focus on their core competency. A lot of things that are done by AI, it's more on processing of information, summarizing the data, giving us good research. But the kind of care, and I support both MD by saying humans for care. The rest, give it to AI. So the mindset should be on innovation, and of course, basic is addressing the gaps. No, first prioritize what you want to do for your clients and how you can be a lot different from competition. Because when I look at the market, I don't look at the price. It's not about discounts, it's about giving more value to the clients. So a leader must be able to adapt, and the new trend is on AI. And if we don't take advantage of it, then we will be left behind.